Hi everyone, sorry I missed you today with the weather delay. I wanted to just make a quick video recap here of the work for next week, just to give you an idea of where you can find the material, what I want you to do. The module for next week, as you go to the class calendar, I showed you this last week, first couple weeks fleshed out, and as I said, I'll have the rest coming soon. I actually broke module 1 down into two modules. There are two smaller ones instead of one big one. It's module 1A and module 1B. Both of these will be due before class next Wednesday. And we don't have class on Monday for the holiday, so next Wednesday, January 23rd, will be the next time we meet. So I'd like you to spend time completing both of these. When you go to the calendar, you click on module 1A. Module 1A is a focus on a review of academic writing. We spoke for a brief moment in our first class regarding academic writing and expectations for this class. It's going to be a research-based class. I want to build on everything that you have done up to this point. I really want to use this module as a way to kind of set a baseline for the language, for the writing strategies, for the processes that we're going to use in class for completing academic writing. So this module 1A will focus on that and help hopefully to close the gap a little bit, especially for those people who have not been in an official writing class for some time. So the module 1A, will bring you to the overview page. Just go over this material. It's a brief introduction to what the module will be providing for you. Down at the bottom, you'll see this button, Assignments and Checklists. When you click on that, it will bring you to this second page of Module 1A, Assignments and the Checklist. Checklist at the top. What you're going to be doing with this is watching these short video lectures that I've created, and these will be the quizzes. These links here will take you directly to the quizzes. So you're going to watch the embedded tutorial lectures here, and then taking these short quizzes. This will be pretty fast. This shouldn't take you more than a half hour tops to complete this module. And as I said, I've broken this down, this module, into two, because the second part of the module, 1B, is focused more on the class theme. So once you've completed module 1A, come over here to 1B, and you'll find the material here that will start talking about the class theme. There are a couple readings attached to it. Once you go through this material here on the overview page, you go to the assignment and checklist, and you'll see here that there's a short video lecture regarding the painting, and that would be the painting that you've seen here on the home page since we've begun class. This is Albert Goodwin's Apocalypse. I have a short lecture on that. That'll be the focus of our in-class discussion next Wednesday with some group discussion, group writing, etc. There's also a couple attachments here to the e-reserves, one essay, one short story, that will help you compose response journal number 2. Again, these are all links. They'll take you directly to the material, so you have everything on one page, make it really easy for you. So this is module 1B. You're going to want to complete this. Actually, this says module 2. I just noticed that. I will change that. That should say 1B. So this is the second part of this complete module 1. So you're going to want to be completing both of those module 1A and 1B prior to class next Wednesday. And if you do go to this, you're finding these links through the class calendar. If you happen to go to the modules link here, it might look a little different and it might confuse you. But I just want to point out that this brings you to the sort of the text-based list of the modules, but you'll still find here module 1A, the first page is the overview page, and 1B, the overview page is there as well. These are the individual links, the text-based links that will take you to the different places within the module itself. But you'll always want to start at the overview page and then follow the material from there. If you have any questions at all while you're working on this, please feel free to send me an email. Make sure that you get all of that material submitted. I've created a few assignments with reminder dates, so all of that should be in your Canvas calendar. And I will keep an eye out for any emails you have, and I will see you all next week. Have a safe weekend.